Oh, yeah, we're live. Let's go. This is Weaponry Fitness. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to do something a little different today because I am noticing that everybody out of the woodworks is talking about crypto. So, this is like the big topic of discussion. I think there's going to be a lot of talks about crypto, especially post election. Everybody's going nuts out here in the crypto world, and they are doing this at the worst possible time because this it happens every cycle too. So for those who don't know, every bull cycle, Bitcoin, crypto, whatever gets a whole lot of attention because we're at the top. The market's up, so everybody's trying to get everybody to buy into this. So what happens is a lot of new investors come into the market. They buy the tops and they can't handle the volatility. So they start selling once we hit big dips, and then that's how you lose your money. So as of right now, I don't have any viewers. So if you join like halfway into this stream, just replay all the way back and then go from there. So see, I'm just gonna wait a little bit till I get some viewers. Right now I don't have anybody, which is it's gonna be typical for a smaller channel like mine, so it's cool. Still working out the kinks. Let's see here. What the hell's going on here? Let me know if you have any questions about crypto. I am going to be reacting to a video or a small portion of a video from my boys, Fresh and Fit. They did a money calling show last night on Monday, and there was one caller that called in and he had some things to say about crypto. And he's half right, but he's just I think he's way off base. But I mean, a lot of people are going to talk about things they don't fully understand, and they're going to try and get you on their side, which is typical. And why is this? I'm going to edit this. Let's go public. Why is this only me? That's so dumb. Okay. All right, that's ridiculous. Okay. All right, my Facebook live feed was on private the whole time. It looks like for about 3.5 minutes. So that's some bullshit. All right. So if anybody is coming on, which I don't think they are yet, I'm going to be talking about crypto risk management. So Professor Johnson is in the house. Right now I'm talking to myself, but if you are just joining me, which I can't see if there's any viewers, make sure you hit the replay. I have been rambling for about 4 minutes, and I think I'm just going to get started because this may be the worst time to do a live stream. So, okay, so let's get into it. So, first thing is first, if you are new to the cryptocurrency, you have failed because you're late. You should have been buying Bitcoin in the bear market. You know where freaking Bitcoin at right now? Bitcoin is at let me check the charts. Hold on. Just give me one freaking second. Cuz I don't want to guess. The crypto market is volatile, so it's not like the fridge. The fridge is always the same every time you go in there. Unlike crypto, it changes. So Bitcoin's at 96,000. You know where it was like a year ago? It was under 30K. That's when I was buying up all my Bitcoin. I think the cheapest Bitcoin I bought was 17K. You know what I did though? This is how I lost a little bit of money. I'm not afraid to admit this. I had 20K stacked in Bitcoin when it was at 17K. So I think I bought like 500 worth of Bitcoin at 18. I bought a little bit at 17. And then I was like, oh, I can't handle this. I don't know how far it's going to go down. So I sold it all when it hit 22K. So it from there, when it hit 22K, it dropped a little bit. And I think we were still in the bears for a little bit. And then it started going up. And then I noticed it was going up. It was going up 22, 23, 24, 26, 27K Bitcoin. So I was like, oh no, started dipping again, coming back down to 24. So you know what I did? Because I never took my money off the market. I just left it on I left it in my wallet and I left some in the exchange as well. So I didn't completely go off I didn't completely change, take my money, put it in my account. I left it in. So I had about 22K in the market. So you know what I did? I bought back in at 27K because I was like, the chart looks like we're starting to enter, a phase where we're going to be seeing, Elliott waves moving toward the upside. So I was like, let me throw this money back in. So I DCA'd back in a little bit at a time, 5K, 10K, 15, so on and so on. And I threw all this money in Bitcoin because Bitcoin is the layer one. It's the first Bitcoin. And then, after that, I had all of it back in the market. And then that's all she wrote. So I'm going to react to a video here by Fresh and Fit. I know I'm rambling, but this is kind of a podcast and I'm really getting, this is funny because I feel like I know more about crypto than I know about my own damn fitness brand. This is bullshit. Okay. Don't laugh at me. All 0 of you motherfuckers watching. All right, let's go. I'm going to react to this. All right. Oops.
Let's hear it.
All right. Let me know if you are getting into the chat. Let me know if the audio is good because last time I did a stream, the audio was not good. So it looks like we're good to go.
654, you're up.
Go ahead.
6654.
All right. Before I get in context, before I start this video, the context is it's a call-in Monday. It's a call-in Money Monday show. So they're calling it to Fresh and Fit, asking for advice. Everybody doesn't know about this channel. They give all sorts of advice, and honestly, I've taken advice from them too, and they're both younger than me, so they know a lot about credit cards, real estate, fitness. Myron is a fitness guru. I learned a lot about him. I learned a lot of fitness stuff from watching him. So right now, you're going to get, the reason I'm bringing this up is because you're going to get a lot of people in the crypto space that are trying to shill a coin or tell you to do, like giving you fitness or finance advice. You got to do your own research. So let's get into it.
What's up, Hater?
Hey, can y'all hear me?
What's up, man? Yeah, we got you.
All right, so I want to make a point here. I've been trying to tell y'all this for like 6 or 7 months now. Altcoins are a scam, bro. It's like all cryptos are not the same. Like you guys keep conflating Bitcoin with all these altcoins, and they're all scams. Here's the thing. Let me make this point real quick.
I'm going to pause it right here. Okay. So if you're just joining me, I just started this video. They're doing a call-in show, and this guy's calling in saying that all altcoins are a scam. So basically he's pro Bitcoin and Bitcoin only. So if you're pro Bitcoin only, that's fine. But the market, this is how you get new investors, is the market is driven by people who like to buy altcoins. So when the whales buy Bitcoin, the people who take profits off of Bitcoin get into the altcoins, which circulates the cryptocurrency space. So you need altcoins. And I'll just keep going with the video.
Altcoins are a scam because, first of all, they have no utility. Bitcoin has real world utility. And second of all, with altcoins, the likeliness of you getting into these altcoins at the lows and cashing out at the top is so low. Like, look at the charts. Look at XRP.
All right, caller. Hold on 1 second. Bro, every single time we talk about cryptocurrency on this show,
What
and
do we
people
say?
here on my fucking witness,
What do we say?
I've always said this. Look, we focus on Ethereum and Bitcoin.
That's it.
That's what we purchase.
Ethereum is a scam. Ethereum is a scam. Ethereum is not Bitcoin. They're not the same.
Bro, we understand this.
Ethereum is a scam, brother.
Bro, hold on.
Look at the ETH BTC ratio.
Why did BlackRock just buy a bunch of Ethereum? Do you know why?
Huh?
BlackRock just bought a bunch of Ethereum. Do you know why?
All right, for anyone who doesn't know who BlackRock is, it is one of the, if not the biggest investment company in the investment space, basically. So BlackRock buys up Bitcoin, and they buy up anything where they see is going to be good for long-term investment. They do not sell, they buy. They buy and hold. So Bitcoin and Ethereum are your first two cryptos. Bitcoin was the first and Ethereum second. They are both layer 2 coins. If you go on all the crypto exchanges, it's always Bitcoin and Ethereum. And then there are going to be a lot of coins coming off the Ethereum blockchain. So
I don't care what BlackRock does, bro. This is
Nigga,
so
who are
much
you?
bigger than just
Bro,
BlackRock. Just
Who are you?
Just all these private equity firms. It doesn't matter, bro. Like they don't control the market. You think
They do.
They don't control the
No,
market, bro. That's like what's his name? Warren Buffett buying a stock. Like you want to get his picks.
He doesn't control the market either, bro. The market has a mind
the whales control the market. The whales control the market. And soon retail will as well. So
of its own.
He has a team that met, bro. Okay, hold
Look,
on.
bro. Look, man.
Chill, bro.
Look,
You're funny,
dude,
bro. You're
dude,
funny.
Look, we've been
Let me
very
cook
adamant
y'all,
about
bro.
this.
You guys aren't listening to what I'm saying.
We are.
We heard you.
We are.
We heard you.
Real-world
You don't like
utility.
Ethereum.
Ethereum
Okay.
doesn't.
Great. You think Ethereum is a scam. That's fine. A lot of people would disagree with you on that. I would argue most of the crypto community would disagree with you on that. We've been big
I want you
advocates
to- Myron,
for, bro.
I want you to pull up the ETH BTC ratio. I want you to look up the ETH pair to BTC and look at the chart. It's done nothing but go down this whole cycle.
all right, check it out, man. There are a lot of coins that people are buying up that's doing worse than ETH. So let's look at Dogecoin is a big one. So Dogecoin is projected to hit more than $1. So I mean, I'm not going to talk about Dogecoin too much, but like a lot of people, especially now that Elon Musk is endorsing Dogecoin, I mean, there is some promise into it. The crypto space is growing as the years go by. So you never know. I mean, Ethereum, I mean, it's overdue. It's well overdue for its blow up. So if you're it's not financial advice, but you better have some Ethereum and most of your money will be allocated into Bitcoin. I mean, Dogecoin, I would shoot, Dogecoin is still at 40 cents, so like it's still pretty low. But yeah, I'll keep going.
People that are buying Ethereum are losing out on gains
Very
versus Bitcoin. They're losing money. And you guys are telling people to buy these coins, and you have no idea what you're talking about. Bro, listen, I've been in Bitcoin since it was $200 a coin. Like, I know what I'm talking about. I'm more than qualified to speak on this stuff.
Are you more than qualified to speak on it than Charlie Miguel?
Yes.
Okay, so he says he's been in since $200. I'm willing to bet that he sold a lot of that off during the bear market. So like, look, man, I can't speak for every millionaire out there, but if you bought during that time while it was that low, you should be a mega millionaire if you held the entire time. You should not be calling this a fresh and fit show because like, bruh. I mean, I don't know. I'm not even close to being a millionaire, but if I was, I wouldn't be calling into a show talking shit. I would like there's no way. That'd be like, I mean, that kind of be like you bag the hottest wife and then you call into a show and talk about your wife like, oh, she's the hottest in the world. No, you just don't brag about that. Like, and he sounds like he sounds like he's emotional about something. Like I don't know. Bitcoin is gonna go up no matter what you buy. No matter what anybody buys, Bitcoin is going up. So I didn't understand the point of this call.
Absolutely.
No,
bro.
you're not, nigga. They got more money than you. Shut up.
2015.
Like, no, you're not.
Bro, I've been
You're
doing
actually
this
not.
since 2015. I made millions of dollars, brother.
Yeah.
Like, and just on Bitcoin. Like, I haven't ever touched Ethereum or any of these scam altcoins because you're going to lose money on them. You
Okay,
can
bro.
ask
If it's such a
anybody who's
scam,
invested in it.
if Ethereum is such a scam, they would have never released an a fucking oh my god, the
Bro, the
and
SEC
it,
doesn't
and
know what they're doing. The
ETF on it, yeah.
cannot
ETF.
regulate these markets. The SEC cannot regulate crypto in any way, shape, or form. They can make an ETF for any coin, daddy coin. They can make an ETF for whatever they want. It
Yeah,
doesn't mean
but
anything, bro.
only Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin and and Ethereum got pushed through, so that tells you that there's a future for it, bro. Look, man, you don't have to like Ethereum, bro, but it's been going up. I literally bought it 2-3 years ago.
All right. So this is what you're going to be facing a lot when you get in crypto. I mean, dude, I really don't even, you never hear anybody talk about stocks like this. Like, crypto is very new. You got a lot of the new generation getting into crypto. You know what crypto is? Crypto is the equivalent of OnlyFans. So like women want to get they want to make money quick, so they get on OnlyFans. And then it's the same with men. You want to get money quick, so you get in crypto. But the only difference is, you know what I say about crypto? You can lose a lot of money in crypto if you don't have skill. So I'm going to go back a couple years where I first got into crypto. I lost about 12K, but the difference is I was making enough money to where I can make it back in a couple months. So like, you know what? You need skill. Before you get into any investments, you need skill, you need an income, you need cash flow. Like, you need serious cash flow before you start investing. Like, the average person doesn't even have $1,000 in their savings account. So if you're in debt, you should not be investing in crypto, especially. You're going to lose your money because you need that money to survive. If you're in any kind of credit card debt, if you're paying off a car mortgage, make sure you have enough money to where you're not living paycheck to paycheck. If you're living paycheck to paycheck, you should not be investing. I mean, it might be okay to put like $1,000 and just leave it, but at the same time, you don't have the mentality to, like, nobody is really patient enough. So like, every time a dip comes, you got to buy that dip typically. Like, otherwise you're just going to lose money and you're not going to be able to handle it. That's why you really have to have a crypto mindset. And that's what people in the space would call it, because it takes a very strong, mentally sound person to get into this stuff. So,
and it's like double what it is now. So you can say whatever you want to say. I don't like Ethereum. It's a scam, etc. Fine. But the fact of the matter is, bro, it's been going up, and if people bought it early on, it's up now. So you can say whatever you want.
No, but listen,
you clearly have an agenda where you dislike Ethereum and alternative coins. And here's the thing too, bro, shut up. Shut up. You're calling into my show. Shut up. Shut the fuck up when I'm talking. All right? You're here as a fucking guest. All right? Let me be very explicit about this. We tell people all the time, get into Bitcoin and Ethereum. Then we bring Charlie and Miguel on. They also advocate that. Then people always ask.
All right. So Charlie and Miguel are the crypto Jesus and Jesus. So basically, I took a crypto course from them Q2 of 2022, right after I lost a bunch of money. So I was like, you know what? I need to learn from somebody. And this is a very important lesson. You need to learn from somebody before you take a big leap in life like this. So I had to take a course, and it was legit. So you know what I did? I took the course. It took me a while to get my money back because it was during a bear market. So basically, I was just accumulating capital, and then I was DCAing into Bitcoin. So I'm about to show my portfolio here in a minute. I want to show you guys that I got some pretty good gains. So let's go here.
What's your thoughts on XRP? What's your thoughts on this?
Solana.
Solana,
Yeah.
Polkadot, whatever. then Charlie and Miguel answer questions on that, right? They also say, oh, well, what do you invest in, Charlie and Miguel? Miguel will talk about Hex and everything else like that. But they always say, you know, be careful and get the coins that are the most stable, which they always say Bitcoin, Ethereum. Now, your issue is you don't like Ethereum. Fine, bro. Cool. You don't have to like Ethereum. But the fact of the matter is, if people buy Ethereum when we said to buy Ethereum, everybody would be double to triple their money. We've been advocating for Ethereum since like 2021, telling people to get it. So, bro, just because you don't like it doesn't mean that people can't make money doing it. Because you clearly have some kind of bias here, which is fine. But
No.
With all due respect, we don't give a fuck about your opinion, bro.
That's where you're wrong. I don't have a bias. That's where you're wrong, Myron.
Okay, bro. How about this? How about this? Go ahead and make your own YouTube channel and talk about Bitcoin all day.
There you go.
All right. I trust Charlie Miguel's opinion. I trust Charlie Miguel's opinion way more than yours. You're a random nigga on the internet calling in. I trust Charlie Miguel way more than you, bro. So we're gonna move on to the next person.
That's fine. That's fine. But if you look at the ETH BTC chart, it's been doing nothing but going down.
All right, I think you get the point. So, like I said, so you don't want to take financial advice from just anybody. I would take financial advice from people that I know, people that I trust. So, you got to have a mentor. I think you should have a mentor in life in general. Hold on. I didn't realize my truck was running. I don't know if that was screwing up the audio. God damn it. This is why I need live viewers to tell me this stuff. So I didn't realize my truck was running. That's crazy. Oh well. Hopefully I'll catch that in the background or in the hopefully the replay isn't too bad. But damn, where was I at? Oh. Yeah, you need a financial mentor. So that's one of the things that I wish I had. I did have a few, but it was just come and go. But yeah, most people lie about how much they make and how much they have. So you got to be careful with that. I think the people that make the most money a lot of times don't really talk about it. Unless they have status. But a lot of people just want to be left alone. So let's see what else. Like I said, Bitcoin is the first crypto. So if you want to invest in crypto or stocks, make sure you get with somebody who knows what they're doing. You're gonna have to share your finances with them because they can give you the best strategy to getting into the market. If I was a newer investor, I would get with somebody. I would ask them, what should I invest in? Right now, we are at all-time highs basically for Bitcoin. So you do not want to jump in all willy-nilly. You want to DCA in, have a strategy, have an exit strategy. If you're a long-term holder, you hold. And then, right now we're in the middle of a bull market. So if you hold it all the way till the top, take a little bit of profit out as it comes down and leave it in. Do not sell when the bears come, because if you're a long-term holder, it will go back up and you could buy the bottom. So right now, actually, I can show you my portfolio. Let's see here. I'm gonna show you. So it's gonna be a quickie. So I do have a 6-figure portfolio, and I was buying since the bear. So the worst thing you can do is buy at the top, but you can buy at the top. You just have to have the crypto mindset. You're like my portfolio fluctuates, but 10K, 15K in a day. So you got to be able to take that hit because it will come back up. So yeah, just people are just joining. I just showed my portfolio like 2 seconds ago, so you can rewind and obviously know that I am not bullshitting about this shit. So I am heavily invested. Look at this, man. I'm a truck driver. I have no kids, no debt, no mortgage. The only thing I have is a car payment, and I only did that because I was tired of driving a piece of shit car. So shit kept breaking down on me. So I had to, screw this. I need to buy me a new car, but I could actually pay it off. So I'm not really in any kind of debt that's hurting me. The worst thing you could do is get into cryptocurrency and have a bunch of debt. with high interest. So, I mean, that's really all I got. I don't see anybody with questions, so just leave a question in the comments. I'll get back to you. And I mean, a lot of people know me personally, so just hit me up and I'll point you in a direction because I've been through it. So I lost money and I got it back pretty quickly. So I think that's all I got. So peace out.